Okay, this video is to demonstrate how to include a chart and to include your cost of flight, lodging, and car rental onto your presentation. So we're going to complete both of these tasks with this video. First of all, I want you to open up Excel. We're going to use Excel to do this. EXCEL. Notice I'm typing it in down here in the start. And the reason I want you to open it up that way, I already have it open here. The reason I want you to open it that way is then you have more options up here, as opposed to if you were to open it up from Office 365 and you click here, the online version doesn't have as many options. So we're going to open up using the desktop version of Excel and type in your different categories. You can copy the categories I have, or you can at least have these categories, and then if you can title yours differently or have other items here, but you should have at least these at a minimum. Now, let's see, cost breakdown. I just merged that, so that was typed in this cell, and I highlight, merged it. Let's give it a little style, a little format color. Let's do that for the total cost as well. Go. Maybe that one a different color. Okay. And now, for these guys, I'm going to format them using the currency formatter. And this, oh, I should have done that for this one as well. Now I need to put a sum function in this box. Sum these guys, hit enter. Okay, and there's the total cost for my trip, $5,550. Okay, so now it's made in Excel, and now we need to make a pie chart using Excel's features. So I'm going to highlight. Notice I'm not highlighting the top, I'm not highlighting the total cost, only from airfare down to food, and then over to include the dollars. So now let's go to Insert, Pie Chart. I like the 3D pie chart. And I'll just go ahead and copy that. Oops. Paste that in there. And this looks pretty good. Alright, so now I want to bring this over into my Dream Vacation presentation. So let's see, I'll find a spot that I want to bring it into. I could just hit plus, increase another one, or since I've got a header on this one, I might as well just go like this, duplicate page, so it duplicates the history and facts page. Now I can just double click. And there we go, I've got the same format. And now I'm going to place my picture of my chart right here. Alright, so going back to Excel, see the labels on here. I think I'd like to see it labeled better. Yeah, that looks good. I like that better. Alright, so I'm going to use my snippet tool, SNI. I typed in SNI down here to find my snippet tool, and I drag it out of the way, click New. Now anywhere that I select, it's going to take a picture of that section on my screen. You know, I don't like this already. I can tell it's not looking good because I don't like these lines in there. So I'm going to move my cursor down here so I don't see it. I'm going to put it off the view area, and I'm going to go to my View tab and turn off the grid lines, just temporarily. There we go. That looks a little better. In fact, could break this up and take two pictures, one picture here and one picture of just this data. But for the sake of speed here, I'm just going to do it quickly so that I can show you how to use the snippet tool. And I think I'll just do it like that. Yeah, I still don't like that line, but for sake of time, I'm just going to go ahead and finish this for demonstration purposes. We're going to do a save as, save it on the desktop, And I'll just call it cost breakdown. You can see I've done it before, so I'm going to overwrite that one. Yes. Alright, now that I have the file saved, that picture saved in my desktop, I go back to Canva, I can click on Uploads and upload media that I've taken. So I go back to my desktop, browse to wherever I saved that, and there it is. Now it uploads it as one of my items that I can use in here. So I can just click it, it puts it in there, and now I can resize. And that's that.